In the heart of Glasgow, there's a place where people connect, learn and grow. A place where the digital divide shrinks and community thrives. That place is Won Connect CIC. For years, I've seen lives transformed through our digital skills, training, workshops and social inclusion activities. But we've hit a roadblock. We need a permanent home. We're currently relying on borrowed spaces, limiting our ability to truly serve our community. We're losing valuable opportunities because we lack a dedicated hub where people can come together, feel supported and thrive. That's why we're launching this fundraising campaign. We need your help to raise £12,000 to secure a dedicated space with 3 key areas: office space, a place for our team to work and meet with clients, training space, a dedicated room for digital skills training, workshops and one-on-one support, event space, a welcoming area for community gatherings, social inclusion activities and special events. This hub will be a beacon of hope, learning and connection for everyone in our community, especially the elderly and those who feel left behind in today's digital world. To make this vision a reality, we need to cover essential costs like rent, utilities and equipment. Your contribution will help us furnish the space, purchase laptops for training and create a welcoming environment for all. With your support, we can empower 500+ individuals with digital skills training, host 100+ workshops and community events, create a safe and welcoming space for social inclusion and connection, generate sustainable income to support our mission, expand our impact and reach even further. Every contribution, big or small, makes a difference. You can help by donating. Every pound brings us closer to our goal. Sharing, spread the word on social media, email and in your community. Volunteering, offer your time and skills to help us set up and run the space. Partnering, if you're a business or organization, consider sponsoring part of our project. We aim to raise £12,000. Together, we can create a space that transforms lives and builds a stronger, more connected community. Donate now and be a part of something special. Visit our website or the link below to contribute and learn more. Together, let's build a hub for hope. Thank you for your help and support.